These are my ice blue blood parrots.
Hey!
A couple of them have paired up in this coconut. I've been watching them. Hopefully they'll have babies.
We don't trouble.
They're pretty cool. One to go in, the other one to come out.
Hey.
Yep, there's the other one. The one with the red belly is a female. I think that's her in there now, because that one doesn't really have a belly.
Now you're the shooter. I'm the last one.
Here he goes. Here she comes. And then over there under the ship, my convict has made a nest and has dug a trench in there all the way down to the soil. It's funny because she's too big, so she has to go in and out of there sideways. All my plants look like crap right now. Got some jungle val back there. It's snowing outside.
Are you sure? Are you sure?
There's some of my quarries. There's old Mr. Parrot himself. He's my favorite. I love him. He's the coolest. And then, of course, the tiger barbs all over the place. There's another blue one. I got 5 blue ones all together. And then some green tiger barbs.
Now I hear shooting.
Longfin tiger barbs, regular tiger barbs. The convict hasn't come out in a minute. I see her in there. She would spit all the sand out of the upper hole here. Spit it all out. And it was a big pile. I had to spread it back around a little bit.
It would have been for a test. That person killed you. It's over.
Well, thank you for watching.